Recorded na ba? Ayan, recording na. So, good morning everyone, no? Good morning, Joy. Good morning to all the new associates, no, who are viewing this training. I'm so glad that you are finally getting started. So, know that I am so proud of your decision, no, for taking charge of your life. And welcome to Usana family. So we are actually Usana Davao is not a team. It's just a branch of Usana Philippines. So we do not name a team, no, sa tuang under kay Mentor Jack, because we want that Usana. We want to feel that when you are part of Usana, you are part of Usana, no? And everyone is your friend, no? Every Usana members is not your enemy, no? They are, baga, you can work with them, you can collaborate with them and all, even if they are from other teams. So, that's why baka tingala mo ba, no? Nganong Usana Davao, kay ang uban kay naagi pangalan sa team, but our team is, we just bring the brand of Usana. So we represent the Usana company. Okay, so welcome again. So congratulations on your decision, and we are proud. With Mentor Jack, we are so proud of you for taking charge of your life, because not everyone has the courage to really do something about their future, no, to do something about their dreams. Not everyone has the courage, no, to take the risk. So I'm so proud of you, no, for moving up, no. So this time I would like to share to you our story, no, a little background of our journey, no, with Mentor Jack. So we started last 2009 in Usana, and we consider it as one of the best decisions that we made. Indeed, it is really life-changing. Indeed, it really saved our lives. So our background is we are both certified public accountants. Yes, we have a good career as accounting manager. I was an accounting manager. Mentor Jack was a finance manager. And that time, at the age of 24, we were looking for a better opportunity to, of course, have extra income, because we know that our salaries are not enough. So when Usana was introduced to us, we grabbed it. We grabbed the opportunity, because we know that in Usana there's a possibility, no, to get our dreams, no. But and also, we don't want to waste our time. So congratulations for not wasting your time. Nag-join dayon mo. The best part of being in Usana is we can start at a low capital. You have $1 million business, you can start at a low capital, and you can do it part-time, depende sa imuha, and at a very low capital, yes, and with someone who could mentor us. So one of my fear that time is I don't have any idea about the company. I don't have any idea about the industry. No, pero why we were confident in joining is because someone would train us, someone would mentor us, someone would help us along the way. So fast forward, no, we became $1 million club members, no, last 2018. And on the other things na benefit good pud namo is, of course, the health benefits, healthy family lifestyle, no, of the family. We were able to travel to different places, no, countries for free. We live in our dream house. Of course, ako as a mother, kanang what really I love the most is the time freedom that I have spending my time with the people that really matters most to me. Of course, that those are my kids. And because because we were already, kumbaga, unemployed na. I was unemployed after 2009, 10, 11, 12. So after 3 years doing the business, I resigned from my job and full-time na ako sa Usana. So yun, ang na-enjoy ko talaga is the time freedom. Of course, financial freedom, ayan, and the chance to become better. So I have discovered a lot of skills, no, na I never thought na kaya ko pala. So with Usana, we can learn a lot of things. Yan. So Of course, we are proud to represent the company, no, because of the impact that it could make, that we could make, no, through sharing the products and through sharing the opportunity as well. So really, indeed, USANA is a life-changing one for us. So our milestone, we started May 23, 2009, and ayun, 2010, we became silver director. So we are one of those na dili jud kaayo paspas, no, kana kung compare nimo karon daghan kay paspas in just 1 year they were able to hit their gold director. Ang iba nag ruby agad in their first year, but then again, USANA is not a race, no, nga paunhanay, no, dinhi kuanta. It's like a marathon, no, that those who stayed longer, those who stayed until they get their dreams, they became successful. So since 2011, we were already part of the Philippine Top Income Earner. Glory to God for that. So again, this one requires hard work, patience, of course, on yourself, patience, no, the ability to wait, no, kana in waiting, in the time of waiting, no, di ba, kay gigil magid ka ita sa mga goals, but your ability to wait, no, your attitude in waiting also matters, no, so that you won't quit easily. Ayan, so again, my encouragement is that this business, no, is a marathon, kumbaga matira mayaman yun. Okay, so make sure that you already set that in your mind, no, na hindi po ito pabilisan. The goal here is to learn and to earn consistent income that will last a lifetime. Okay, so introduction. So Joy, no, we want to get to know you more. So ang good thing ay ako ang nag-present, so kabalo na ako mostly sa imong background. So first is our goal, no, in getting started is to get to know each other. So we have scheduled welcome parties, no? Sa mga welcome parties, diha ta pwede maka-share of personal stories, no, for us to get to know each other, no? And yan, so in the coming days, we will be having a lot of opportunities to know each other. Okay, and next is we have this USANA Hub mobile app, so you can download it online. This mobile app is very important. If you are part of USANA, you should have one. So just memorize the ID number and password. Yan, so explore the USANA Hub. So nindot kay ni siya nga mobile app. Everything is already there, no, for you to monitor your production, andun na lahat, okay? So business development system kit, upon enrollment, you will have this kind of kit, no, everything, business development system kit, everything that you need to know about the products, about the company, about the compensation plan, the policies are all already there, no, sa business development system kit. You also have the magazines and tools for you to share the products and the opportunities. So check it. No, it's very informative. Actually, you can already present with those tools. Yan. Next is, this is the USANA Hub. I want you to explore this one, no, with your ID number and password. That's all you need. So you could get a view. You can view this hub. So it's personalized. So in this case, no, welcome Jack and Lucille Candido. So ayan, personalized po yan. Lahat ng mga order history nyo, andun, doon nakalagay. If you wanna order the products, dito lang din sa hub. If you wanna check the Platinum Pay Setter deadline, andyan din. So everything that we need about the business, andyan na sa hub. So make sure na ginatanaw na to current status in terms of volume report. So pila na imuhang points, no? Real time po ang update ng points natin. So as much as possible, we will check it from time to time. Yan. Also, it's very important that we have the right expectations, okay? So in this business, what's very important is the you factor, no? If you succeed, it's going to be you who creates the success. But again, if you fail also, it's going to be you who creates failure. So what's very important is that you as a person, you develop yourself, learn the business, and because the system is as good as the person running in. Meaning, we have a very good system, Usana, we have the very good product, we have the very good team support, but what if you are not willing to do your part as well? It's really bound for failure. Pero pag you will give also your best, then of course you will succeed. So you must, next is, so what's my point? It's very important that you as an independent distributor of Usana has great impact in this business, because we are all independent distributor, independent associate. But no, kami as your partners, business partners, as your sponsors, coaches, or mentors, we will help you become independent as quickly as possible. That's why we have this system in making sure that everyone has the tools not to improve themselves, to help them do the business, no, and just uh just be ano ba yan? Just ask questions, no? Just reach us out, no? Reach out niyo lang po kami. So for any questions, anything that you needed us to assist you. Ayan. So our job, no, as a sponsor, we are very much willing to help you as long as you are, again, the you factor, as long as you are willing also. Okay? There will be good times and bad times. So expect, no, just like any other areas in our lives, in relationship, may good times at saka may bad times. In our finances, even sa job, may good times and bad times. Even sa ano pa ba, sa employment, yeah, and sa business, even traditional business, may good times and bad times. So Usana is not an excuse to that, no? May good times tsaka may bad times din tayo. So ang question is, how would you want us to handle you on your bad times? For example, you undergo doubts na, nagda-doubt ka na, or example, nare-reject ka na and all. So sometimes nade-discourage. So how would you want us as your mentors, as upline sponsor, how would you want us to handle you? So would you want us to leave you alone? Or would you want us to remind you of your why in doing this business? Okay, so answer show your answer, no, to the chat box. Okay, Joy, how would you want us to handle you on your bad times? Leave you alone or be persistent to remind you of your why? Yan. So it's very important also na in this journey, no, naagi mga people na dili maka-understand sa imuha. So you must accept a temporary loss of social esteem from ignorant people. That's according to Eric Worre. Yes, I experienced this also. No, temporary loss lang naman of social esteem kay syempre kanang people would tease you sometimes, oh, you sana girl, you sana boy and all. Pero good thing no kay naka-quarantine ta. So dili kay siya inana ka dili kay siya inana kuan nga magkita-kita, no, nga kanang unlike before ba nga sa office pag tingog na kay ng botilya kay ingna na dahil yung sana girl, yung sana boy, na ginatis na. So kana we must accept temporary loss. Temporary lang man na siya, no? Because a lot of people won't understand what we are doing. A lot of people have not seen, no, our vision. Since vision mo kasi yan. So, like for me, example, it's really my vision back then, no, to have a family, no? And when I am having a family, I will not spend much of my time sa job. So, akong vision is kanang I would be at home with my kids and the family, no, but of course na ako sa balay nga na ako'y kwarta, ayan, with financial freedom as well, and I can see myself na traveling to a lot of places. So again, that was my vision, and my friends, no, dili man na nila vision, so hindi nila yan nakikita. So that's why they don't understand us, no, why we are doing this. So I was an accounting manager then, pero nganong why did I have to sacrifice my 8 to 12 midnight back then, no? inana po mi magtrabaho. So after work, no, kay after work our office time back then is until 8 to 5 p.m. Tapos 5 p.m. to 7 overtime ko po. To 7 onwards, no, until 12 or 1 a.m. Yun po yung hatawan namin that time, and wala po kaming online before. So we meet people outside, okay? So ganon, sacrifice, no, because again, we know, we have seen the future. So amo ang future, so wala sila kasabot. So temporary lang naman yan, okay? Don't worry, pag nag-income ka na, ma-understand rapod na nila. Yan, especially sa family members, no, pag di nila naintindihan yung ginagawa natin, they will somehow they would try to stop us, okay? So next is the right mindset. You have to make sure that to succeed in this business, no, you have the right mindset. You have to make sure that at the right from the start, right na ato ang mindset. Okay, know that our business is $1 million business. What do you mean by that? Do not underestimate this one. Do not underestimate in the sense na easy-easy mo lang. Kumbaga, we have this kind of blessing opportunity. And if that's our mindset, we will give our best, no, to really maximize the business so we could get the best out of it. Second is that 3 requirements. We only have 3 requirements, no, for us to succeed in this business. Kahit ano po yung background nyo, high profile man or average lang na empleyado or negosyante ka man and all, no, or student pa lang. So there are 3 requirements, no, and this applies to everyone. So number 1 is dream big, no, the clarity of your why. So that's why right now I want you to after this session, I want you to make sure, no, make sure to really write down why did you join USANA, and make sure that that one is so big so that it would push you to do big as well, to make it big here in USANA as well. So number 1, clarity. Dapat klaro po yung gusto nyo. Like for example, on your first year, I want to earn at least 20,000 per month, okay? And then on my first months, yan, first 3 months, I want to earn 20,000. On my next 3 months, I want to earn 60,000. On my next 3 months, I want to earn 100,000 per month. So, ayan, klaro siya ba kung ano yung goal natin, okay? Secondly is, number 2, good listening and learning attitude. So, the willingness to learn, the attitude to learn. Of course, it's very important because not every one of us, no, has this exposure already outside USANA. What we do is very much different, okay? So that's why it's very important to learn the business. It's very important to know what are the basics in this business, no? Like me, personally, hindi pa po ako master, no, sa mga skills na kailangan dito. So that's why I keep on learning up until now. This is my 11th year already. No, we keep on learning pa din. Next is consistent effort. Again, application of what we have learned. It's very important that we apply. We don't just attend trainings na murag seminarista, no? Ang joke ana nila kay seminarista lang, kanang seminarista kanang sige lang attend training but they don't apply it. So we don't want that, right? So to get results, sponsoring is very important. So it's very important that we do it consistently. So you will not become gold director, you will not become top income earner or diamond director or even director, no, even director rank. No, you cannot achieve it if you will not sponsor consistently, okay? So next is grow yourself, no, requirement, no, learning attitude. So it's very important that we really learn, we really grow as a person because our growth is directly proportional to our income. If we don't grow, our income will not grow. So as simple as that. Okay, next is master your emotion, okay? Give your 100% best with zero expectation. So a lot of, since this is new, for most of us, this is really something new. And of course, if it's something new, normally at first, our success rate would be that would be not that taas, no, ang success rate. But if we just give our best, no, consistently from time to time, I believe mo taas gyud na imuhang success rate, meaning daghan mag-join kadugayan. Okay, sa sugod medyo kuanta kulbaan, sa sugod medyo ano ta ka na doubtful, kaya ba nako ni and all. Basta again, kaya kailangan siya consistent effort para maanad ta, mahawod ta, maging skillful ta. So, ang practice is actually on doing it, no, not just on reading, no, on learning and listening. Okay, so give your 100% best, meaning what is really our job description here in USANA? What is really our role? So our role is just to share the products, educate people about health. Now our role is to share a good opportunity. If they don't buy our opportunity, then okay lang, no? Ang gi-reject nila dili ikaw, ha, don't take it personally. Ang gi-reject nila ang imuhang opportunity, no? Dili dayon awayon, dili dayon i-block, no? Ang mga people nga kanang wala nag-join, okay? Wala ta kabalo, maybe they will join you after 2 years, after 1 year, after 3 months ba or what, no? So maybe now is not the right timing pa lang, okay? So just be patient, okay? So give your 100% best still, no? And with zero expectation, because sometimes ang mga people nga imuhang gi-invite dinhi nga you think na mag-join kay sila pa tong dili mag-join. Nya katong wala ka nag-expect na mag-join kay sila na pud mag-join kung bagay na ba. So again, wala jud ka kabalo kinsa jud dinhi ang mag-join or not. So you just have to give your 100% best, and ayaw nilang expect from them para dili pud ta ma-hurt, no? Guard your emotion, guard your heart. Next is be excited. So it's very important that we pass on your energy to attract positivity. It's very important, di ba, sa tindahan. It's really important that you as a sales lady or you there magbantay sa tindahan, dapat wala ka gamugot, dapat happy ka and all. So if you want to attract positive people, no, dapat it could be felt, no, excited, no, kana excitement, no, ma-feel gid siya. So in our case right now, since we are in quarantine, so it's very important that in social media, so since we update people through our social media, make sure that we put there with excitement. You see, like for example, wow, I'm so excited for the coming days, ganyan. So people would get curious, why are you so excited in the midst of crisis, right? So prospect na din yun. So make sure that our social media is attractive to the positive people, okay? So are we learning so far? So type 1 if you're learning so far. Next is understanding auto-order. Okay, auto-order, I'm not sure if you have heard this already, but auto-order, no, in USANA, we are so that this is really one of the things that I love, the auto order. Why? Because this one it ensures residual income. It makes sure that you have a product, you always have a product available for your customer. You make sure that you are healthy, your family is healthy because you have products all the time. So unsa din ni siyang ano ba itong auto orders, okay? AO, no, you just have to minimum of 100 points of product every month. If so, essentials, 3 pairs lang na siya. So 4 weeks, 3 pairs, okay? So mabilis lang po yan siya i-dispose. Yan. For a business, no, diba at the start, you invested, let's say 1 business center, you invested 6 pairs. Okay, that 6 pairs, no, the 3 pairs, like for example, if it's essentials, you will roll it out again the next month, no, pag nahalin na, pag nabenta na yung 3 pairs, you make sure that the cost of the 3 pairs, no, hindi niyo po siya gagalawin, no, you will roll it out again for the coming months. So actually, auto order is not monthly expense, because if you think it business-wise, it's only rolling out your first capital, no? So meaning, yung first capital natin na sa 3 essentials, yun lang po yung gina-roll out natin every month. Now, if you're a businessman, actually, it's very gamay ra gina siya. to think our auto order is not for, it's not really an operating expense. Dili siya operating expense na naman, product man siya, okay? Pwede po siya nimo gamiton for the family, pwede po siya ibenta, okay? So, what are the advantages of having an auto order? Number one, health subscription. Yes, you can, you make sure that your family, you and your family is healthy. So, yan. So, every time you purchase product, consider yan as auto order, depende sa time schedule na imohang gi-purchase. Next is 10% product discount, no? Example for the essentials, instead na 3 to 50 na cost, you have additional 10% if naka-set up siya as auto order. So, 2,925. Yan. Available product inventories. So, there will be available product inventories because no, this is business. You make sure that, especially right now, we have the office, the USANA office in Abriza is not open for guests. So, right now, bawal po pumunta doon because of the quarantine, and we cannot just get products every time we want to. So, it's very, very good that we stock product at home, so that we have available products if our customer needed it. Okay? So, available product inventories. Next is hit the residual income. For example, since remember our compensation plan is coming from the product movement. So every time under your organization, they purchase product. So what if, for example, every time they auto-order, no, aakyat po yan ang points sa iyo, 100%. So even from auto-order. So, like for example, when we went to US, last year, when we get back, no, from the US after 3 weeks, we earned 700,000 pesos. No, though we did not personally invite someone then because we were in vacation mode. And amazingly, we were able to hit 700,000. People are still ordering, no, under our organization because of this auto order, no, for health subscription of their family. Also, if you are on auto order, your business center is active, meaning you are commission qualified. So what if you were not able to have an auto order for that week, for that month, I mean. So, ang mangyari po niyan, no, sa time na hindi po tayo nag-auto order, yung time na yun, wala po tayong, hindi po natin ma-enjoy ang commission. So, ma-erase ang points, no? So, kaya, it's very important that we are active para hindi naman masayang yung points. What if you did not, we're not able to auto-order? Okay, pag hindi, again, yung account mo, andyan pa naman. So, that time lang, hindi ka naka-auto-order, that time lang, nawala yung points mo. But again, I suggest, no, auto-order, take it seriously as well if you think the business is serious. Of course, this is our inventory. Yan lang po yung inventory natin. 3 pairs of essentials every month. Yan. Next is auto-order schedule. So, check the rolling calendar setup, no, para may discount tayo. So, for example, no, this is the calendar for 2020. Okay. For example, you join, kano sige ka nag-join, Joy? April, ano sa gani? Ano sa gani, tawag ani? Roms? Puntahay, let's just say April 29. So, okay. For example, nag-enroll April 29. Yan. So, here. Okay, wait. Ano tayo? April 29. So, when is her next schedule to set up, to process auto order? So, since it's a blue week, so blue lang din siya. So may ano pa siya, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks, no? Parang including this week, to purchase another 3 pairs. So, yung ana lang, Joy, no? Taas pa kayong oras. So, pag abot sa product, when the product is already at your hand, or even wala pa, i-dispose mo na para at least yung for the 3 pairs, you can roll out na naman no, sa May 25 na schedule. So, make sure na set up siya a week before para may discount na instead na 3,250, may 10% discount. So, 3,250 times 90%, yun lang po yung babayaran. So, you can sell it at 3,900 each. Okay? Yan. April 29. Yeah, April 29. Sige. So, kato, make sure na tama, no, ang dates. It's very important that we check it. The right date para dili tama. Para make sure na di ba technical, okay, mawala. Sige. Okay, so kato, unsa imong cycle, like for example, you enroll in a blue week, then your next auto order would be on the blue, okay? So have this calendar grid always. So again, this is available online. And in your hub naman, may magpa-prompt naman doon kung when is your next auto order, okay? Next is we have this 3 business centers. So 3 business center, no, we have been given a chance by the company to upgrade. So normally, most of us started with 1 business center. Now again, we want to maximize the business. We would want 3 business centers, right? Because times 3 naman yung potential income mo. So instead na 200,000 lang, no, you can earn 600,000 monthly potential income. So since we are in this business, no, we want to make sure na na-maximize lahat. So na opportunity. So kani, the company has given us this time to upgrade. Okay. Ang goal lang po natin is to come up a total of 400 points purchases, no, in the coming for the whole 5 weeks. So the first 5 weeks. So for example, on your enrollment week, you enroll 200 points. 'Di ba I mentioned kanina about auto order? So, included na po yun on your week 4, what if 100 points. Yan. So, on your week 5, no, another 100 points. That's a total of 400 points. Or even on your auto order, if you want 200 agad, pwede na. Basta ang goal lang is to reach the total 400 points. Ayan, clear? So, to have this 3 business center, total 400 points to purchase. Now, what if this is you, and you invited your friend, no, here. Tapos, nag-join siya sa week 2. So, meaning, tapos wala ka pa upgrade that time. Automatically, pag maka-upgrade na ka, ibaba si F. So, mo insert ang U and U here. Okay? So, this is your business center 1. This is your business center 2, and this is your business center 3. So, yan po yung mangyayari. So, automatically, yung naka-enroll, no, under your organization, bababa sila. Yan. Pag 3BC ka. Okay? So, next is, ito po yung picture natin if we maximize the 3 business center. What if you have 25 people, no, 25 people on your left side, and they are on auto order, 200 points. Tapos sa business center 2, right side, 25 people. Tapos on auto order, 200 points. Same thing in your business center 3, may left and right din. No, nag-purchase lang siya. Ang potential income po niyan, if you maximize it, it's 198 pesos or $3,750. So, imagine, that's ang people na under your organization is gamay lang, pero nag-auto order sila, ana po ang potential income. So, since we are all product movement, yan. Tapos, you earn here, no, you earn at BC1, you earn at BC2, you earn at BC3. So, kumbaga, i-count itong points na ito for BC2, i-count ang points na ito for BC3, another counting of points for BC1, another counting of points for BC1 sa right. So, meaning na maximize po lahat ng points. So, that's why we really recommend 3 business center. Ayan. So, ayan. Let's check. May nag-chat. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Wow, gid siya. Wow. So, inana siya kadako. Okay. Next is retailing. So, this time we will understand more of the business. Okay. Understanding your business. So, as we all know, sa presentation, we have 6 ways to earn. So, 6 ways to earn. So, on our first earning opportunity is on the retailing. So, every time we introduce this to our friends, our family, and they will buy this at SRP 3,900, and you will sell this at 3,900, and you bought this at 3,250. You have around 600 pesos na 600 plus na markup. So, but then again, depende sa imo mentor. What if naghangyo sila 3.8 na lang or 3.7? So, depende sa imo ha. So, kana siya, nagdepende na gina sa imo. Basta ang goal is, you make sure na if they are not member, don't give them the 3,250 price, no? Para din may markup ka naman, 'di ba? So, tips on sharing. Okay, introduce 5 signs that your body is improving from taking the product. So, what are the 5 signs? Kato, better bowel movement, better sleep, better energy, better metabolism, and better skin, better immunity. So actually, it's 6 na, okay? Better immunity. Next is maximize FB page, yung mga stories natin sa Instagram and sa Facebook, sa Messenger. No, you maximize it, no? Because people right now mostly are on social media. And ang pinakapaspas na makita is the stories, right? Sino po dito yung mahilig mag-browse ng mga stories? So, then people are already there, the traffic is there, then why not maximize it, no? Just post a very wonderful picture, and the key is put a call to action. Like for example, how? I wanna know more. So, poll question, who wants to try this awesome best product. So, for example, you just type there 2 options, no? First is, yes, I want to know more. So, yung mga ganyan, para call to action, no? They know na how to connect with you. Yan. So, maximize FB pages, no? Also, sa people right now are looking at searching sa FB, no, if they want to buy something, and it's highly recommended that you have your own FB page, no, page para dili siya masamok sa imong personal account. So FB page, no, you just post there anything about the products, no, yung compliant compliant naman siya sa policy sa company. Make sure na what you share there is kanang walay mga claims, kay bawal din na siya sa FDA. So ayan, dili ta magpabadlo. So make sure that what is indicated, what is posted in our FB pages, no, are compliant. Yan. So para compliant, sure ka compliant, just post those na you have kanang seen sa website sa USANA. Daghan kay din ha, naapod sa Ask the Scientist na website sa USANA, no? So for you to post, no, very good product details and picture. Also si USANA already provided nice, no, na mga social media shareables, no, about the product. So yun, you just have to make sure that you are visible, 'di ba? Always online. Yan. So next is be the product of the products, meaning what you make sure that if you are part of the healthiest family on earth, so make sure you look healthy, you look blooming, you look energetic, no, because diba you don't look so stressed, no. Make sure you take good care of yourself, no, because anyan, be the product of the product, take the products, of course, no, kay para you are the best kag model ba, artista ka din sa product. So you make sure na naagi something better sa imo ha, okay? If not wala man ka nag-grow siguro or kuan, basta wala pug ka na look kanang worst to at your worst, okay? For a start, you may share it in retail, especially we are talking to the new associates here. no, you may share it in retail for affordability and minimize receivables. So for example, no, this one has 112 pairs of essentials, and we want to make sure na we share it to people. So even if wala kay sila dako nga budget, no, hindi kayo nila ma-afford yung 3,900, then why not do it in retail? Like for example, is if their budget is for 500 pesos only, then give them worth 500 pesos na tablets, right? So parang sa ano na din, pharmacy, okay? So if you have empty bottles there, no, wag niyo pong itapon because you can use the empty bottles for your retailing purposes. Yan. Para maganda pa din yung lalagyan, no? Kahit naka-retail, malinis pa din yung nilalagyan natin, no, ng produkto. Ayan. And kung wala, you can use the Ziploc available in supermarkets, no? Ziploc, we use that also for, like for example, good for 10 tablets, 10 pairs of tablets, no? Ziploc, pwede na din. Okay? So, the good thing if we do this one in retailing, mas affordable siya. For example, kung 30 pesos, so times 10, 300, so mas affordable. And minimize receivable, no? At least, dili kayo dako imong receivable. Also, I'm sure mabayaran din ng worth 300, di ba, compare sa 39, no? But again, wais po tayo, dapat mag-isip tayo na like a businessman po, no, we make sure na we minimize bad debts. So, make sure that we offer also the products to those who can afford po, para kung gusto nimo na ma-dispose din ang product cash, no, i-try po na to dispose it to people who can afford, no? And kung katong magbaglisod, we do it in retail. And the good thing po kung retailing di ay is that you will be able to share it to a lot of people, no? Kaning as essentials, no, at least daghan ang makatilaw na customers, no? Unlike kung one pair ihatag nimo sa isang customer, possible hangyoon pa jud, no? Instead na 3 na hangyoon, pwede 3.5, di ba? Ya utang na gani. So again, dili ta gusto ana, okay? So giingnan na ta mo ahead ha, kay daghan ba gyud dinani nga cases, okay? Nya pag auto order na kay wala na ika-auto order kay gipautang, no? Ang mga products yan. Dapat wais pud tayo kung magpautang ta, we make sure that the person na gipautangan nato kay with credibility, you know, nga magbayad. Next is, it's very good also to ask for referrals from our customers, no? If they love their products, I'm sure they would love to share it to someone else, no? Like for me, example, I have a very customer na gid siya, she loves the product, almost 100 plus na iyahang orders ako every month, though for product for family consumption lang ha, usahay maabot og 200 points niyang orders ako and because she really loves the products, she shared it to her sister-in-law who has concerns sa reproductive system kay naga-bleeding siya every day. Imagine that, every day siya naga-bleeding. And katong gi-share niya ang products si Sana. So nag-share pod me, and also praise God, for 2 months na siya wala naga-bleeding, right? So amazing kaya tong product. So yun na, because my customer really loves the product, she cannot help but share the product as well to her family. So yeah, it's very good that you ask referrals. Okay? Next is share to 4 people every week. So they will be your potential associates as well. Those who love the products, they are your potential associates. And key is do not overpromise. No, just use the word help, no? Kanang nice ni makatabang ni sa imuhang reproductive system, makatabang ni sa imuhang cardiovascular health, no? Dili pwedeng na makaayo jud ni, no? Ayaw kay basig balikan ta ana. Because why? Wala biya ta kabalo sa iyang lifestyle, no? Bawal mo kaunog tamis pero sige kaunog bawal, no? Tapos naga-take siya og kanang essentials. Siya ka makaayo ni pero man day iyang lifestyle kay ginagabuhat gyapon siya og mga bawal. So di gyud siya maayo, right? So ana, kaya to make it safe, no? Ang word po na gamitin natin is help, right? Next is, yan, as I mentioned kaganina, avoid bad debts. Okay? So that's number 1, retailing. Number 2, weekly commission. So what I love about our business is that it is product movement. So lower group sales volume. So, computation is that kanilang yun to make it simplified, our weekly commission comes from group sales volume. Saan doon ang mas mababa, left and right, times lang natin ng 20%. Yun na po yung computation. So, sales volume are from product, purchases of users, retailers, and builders. Sino po yung mga users? No, yung mga nag-join sa business because they just want to save from the product. So yung like for example, yung na-mention ko kanina na friend na customer, I suggested that she enrolled because she could save a lot of discount, no, from being enrolled, no, as associate. So yan, nag-join siya as user. Pero hindi siya nagre-retail, hindi din siya nagbe-build. Yan. But I still got a commission from her purchases. Okay? Retailer, yun yung mga people na gusto talagang magbenta. So, they want to maximize their skills of benta-benta by purchasing products down the line, ganyan. So, but again, their purchases are counted as points. Saka gyapon siya sa imuha no makatabang gihapon. So napo tay mga ginatawag na builders just like me, no, like Noy, like other leaders, even like for example si Romilyn this time. So we build people, we build organization of people who would really share the product and opportunities to everyone. Okay, so from sales volume. Next is computation is weekly. So from Sunday to Saturday 2 p.m. ang cut-off natin. And the minimum points para maka-income ka is 125 points left and right, no? But again, what if 100 points lang mentor ang umakyat na points sa akin? What will happen to my 100 points? Again, it will carried over to the next week, no? Until madadagdagan siya ng points para, like for example, may 25 na points na purchase that time, so 125 na siya, so capable ka na, pwede ka na maka-earn ng commission. So again, the minimum points is 125 points. Baka po tayo magtaka, no, mentor, may points naman ako left and right, bakit wala akong commission na receive this week? Baka po hindi siya umabot ng 125, okay? So let's bear that in mind. Next is yan. So, excess points from the higher volume will be carried over the following week. For example, 500 points sa kabila 300 points. So, walay limit ang carry over, no? So, as long as 5,000 points. Ayan. 5,000 points ang limit po natin sa USANA. Maximum, ayan. Maximum of 5,000 points to be counted per business center. So in our case, lagpas naman niyo 5,000 points. Ang i-cover niyo USANA, 5,000 points lang. Yeah, what if na-carry over siya? So ang i-carry over lang yun po niya, 5,000 points. Yan. So, na-gets ba? Okay ba to siya, Joy? Na answer. So, 5,000 points po ang limit niyo sana per business center. Yan. Excess points from the higher volume will be carried over the following week. Meaning, what if you have 1,000 points na lang, tapos din 500 points, di ba? Ang lower volume is 500. So, moto ang timesan og 20%. So, napay 500 na bilin din So, ang 500 na nga nabilin sa left side, kay imuha to siyang i-carry over the following week. Ayan. So, clear po ba tayo dyan? So, next is lifetime matching bonus. Number 3. Okay, you would earn 15%. So, 15%, amazing na kayo na siya nga percentage, no, sa business. Okay? Imagine, 15% ay mohang ma-earn from you personally sponsored. So, like for example, who sponsored Romilyn? So, Romilyn is sponsored by Ma'am Michelle. So, Michelle is a CPA from BIR. So, lahat po ng commission, weekly commission ni Romilyn, Mitch will receive 15% lifetime. So, meaning, in the lifetime of business ni Romilyn, every week, kung kumikita po siya ng weekly commission, meron pong matching bonus si Michelle because she is the one who invited Romilyn and she's the one who also is responsible po sa iyahang growth po as part of her organization as personal sponsor. So, 15%. But again, it's a bonus, meaning we have a certain level of requirement to get it. So, the requirement is become a premier platinum pay setter. So, unsa na siya? So, exciting because you just have to within 8 weeks on regularly within 8 weeks you from enrollment date. So if you enrolled on April 29, i-count mo 56 days to be exact for your deadline to hit this requirement of becoming a platinum pay setter para qualified ka na to earn matching bonus. So inaani siya within 8 weeks ang deadline from enrollment. So in your case, Joy, you enrolled April 29 plus 56 days. And the good thing is, naani siya sa website, sa hub, makita nimo dito ang imuhang deadline. No, check your hub so you would know your deadline. So what is the requirement within that day? A minimum of 4 new personally sponsor or distributors. So minimum of 4 imuhang napa-enroll. So kanang 4, what if mentor 5? Okay kaayo, di ba? Minimum of 4 lang man. But we make sure that each of them would also have minimum 100 SVP. So meaning, we make sure that katong 4 nimo to be counted no as sponsor for the PPS no is they purchase minimum of 100 points. Like for example, si A 100, si B 100, ayan. But they're collectively, we make sure that they generate 1,600 points. So as a whole, dapat we make sure na 1,600 points. Okay? Roms, just please send the deadline to Joy. But again, naatay good news since today is na part tayo sa COVID quarantine, no? Our company is very much generous. They kanang iniisip po nila tayo, no? They understand that the new associates are having napa sa recovery mode, no? Maybe people would be having a hard time inviting people in this time. So the company is so generous, no? Instead na 56 days ang deadline, instead na 8 weeks, no? All the enrollments, all those who enrolled from January 1, no, will have an extension of their platinum pay setter deadline. So until August. So for you in your examples, in this example, Joy, no, hindi 8 weeks but until August. So dugay pa jud, no? Pero again, grabe ka gracious ang company, no? Taas jud ay, but again, I suggest na mubalik manggudta sa requirement na 8 weeks. So pag after aning August ay katong up to June lang dahil June enrollment, no, until August ang deadline. But mubalik manggudta sa original. Pero gwapo gid na na-hit nato within 8 weeks pud ang ato ang platinum pay setter para naatay good testimony nga pwede lagi na, possible lagi na, no, I was able to make it on my 4th week, o diba? Also para po mapadali ang atong deadline, ay papadali ang atong PPS because we want to also help the people whom we invite, diba? Yung mga people na na-invite natin para tutok naman tayo sa kanilang platinum pay setter deadline din, diba? Lain kayo na sabay mo gaapas og platinum pay setter deadline, right? So make sure na lang na as a leader, no, if you are the achiever kanang gahot kaayo, you make sure na nauna ka para ang under your organization matabangan nato sila. Agree? So ayan, so akong point dili magkumpiyansa, no? For example, sample platinum pay setter run, no, on regular days. Okay. Kanang what if walay extension. So inaani lang siya ang example. For example, you have a friend Alpha, tapos si Bravo, si Charlie, and si Delta. On your week 1, nag-purchase si Alpha og 200. Tapos on her week 4 nag-auto-order si Alpha og 100. Tapos another week nag 3BC advance siya 100, okay? So kana siya total of 400. Si Bravo naman, nag-enroll siya on your week 2, no, og 200 points. Tapos on your week 5, nag-auto order siya og 100. Tapos on your week 6 niya, week 5 niya nag-distribute upgrade na po siya. So that's total purchases of Bravo na 400. Okay? What if si Charlie? Si Charlie, naka-enroll siya on your week 3. On his week 4, nag-auto order si Charlie og 100. Tapos on your week 8 niya, week 5 ni Charlie, order siya, nag 3BC upgrade. Nani 100 din ha. Total of 400. Yan. Si Delta, imuhang friend, nag-enroll on week 4. Okay? Tapos, on your week 8, let's just say, nag-upgrade po siya, o dapat 200 din dali. Nag-upgrade po siya and nag-auto-order 200 points. So, that's a total of still 400. So, 400 from each, that is 1,600 points. So, comply na to ang 1,600 points, tapos at least 4 na associates. Okay? Tapos each of them, minimum of 100 points. So in this case, tag 400 points sila. So that's easy, right? But again, naamantay, gracious man ang company karon. No, but again, dili na ta kailangan na kanang maghulat jud, no, maglungay-langay. So kung kaya na nato i-hit ang 1,600 points dayon, then why not, diba? So lifetime matching bonus, for example. So in this case, what if this is you? Okay, wait lang ha. Yan. In this case, this is you, and you are the sponsor of this gold director. Kani nga gold director, naga-income siya og $1,000 per week. Since you are the one who personally sponsor him, you have the 15% matching bonus. That 15% matching bonus means in 52 weeks, that's $7,800, or that's 414 pesos 1 year matching bonus alone from your gold director. Again, you don't know who is going to be gold director in your organization, right? So, hindi mo alam kung sino yung ma-enroll mo. So, you make sure platinum pay setter po tayo. Yan. For example, in our case, we invited Noliones last 2015. We never know na he could be our superstar in our organization. But we made sure na platinum pay setter siya. So, because we are his first sponsor, upline sponsor, so every week, meron kaming 15% income sa kanyang commission. So, this was total commission. This is the lifetime matching bonus from his total commission last year, 2019. So, every week, as you can see, kami ni Mentor Jack, we earned weekly lifetime matching bonus sa kanya. So, last year, a total of 421,000 yung, lifetime matching bonus namin, no, from our personal sponsors na platinum pay setter. So, amazing, right? And right now, he is Ruby Director. So, imagine, the income of Ruby Director is $2,000 per week. Yung income namin per week from him is 15% of 2,000. So, amazing, di ba? So, lifetime siya, lifetime benefit, it's really worth of your time. No? So, goal po natin siya. So, ang key, how to hit that platinum pay setter, excuse na ha, Edric, excuse me, Drake. So, ayan, a key is to sponsor. So, in quantity, so dapat daghan jud dapat og ma-sponsor. I mean, ma-invite, ma-prospect. So some of, no, we have this prospecting and inviting training, no, available siya online. You can check it out, no, so you have ideas of how to hit your platinum pay setter. So generally, no, some of the tips, no, you make sure that you have a good social media branding, so you are attractive, no, to your potential associates. Next is, yan, as I mentioned kanina, aside sa product, no, you can also maximize your My Story sa prospecting. Like for example, earn dollars at home, 'di ba? Mga ganyan na mga mga caption, okay? So but make sure you do not invite dayon. So build rapport muna, no? You make sure that you are building sincere, no, relationship to your prospect, because people join because they trust in you, okay? They don't just join kay kung kay bisan kay kinsa lang, okay? They join because they trust the person whom invited them, no, kana to be part of the USANA business. So kana it's very important na okay gyud, no, that people trust us. So trust is built through relationship, no, kana mag-likes ta, mag-greetings ta every birthday, na get to know their needs and wants. Maybe they are looking for extra income na pala ngayon. So kana keep on asking questions. Use this form, no, unsay form na family background, occupation, recreation, and motivation. So again, there is a prospecting inviting training available. You can set a schedule with your leader, no, for you to have this special training. Okay, prospect list, no, practice your script and use the power of edification. Okay, so yun po for prospecting and inviting tips. So we could get our platinum pay setter. Okay. So our first goal is to be, ano yun? Become platinum pay setter. So ang platinum pay setter is done, no, within 8 weeks. Okay, 8 weeks po. So, ano naman yun siya? Hindi makita. Ano na siya? At least 4 natabunan. Okay. At least 4 direct sponsors, a total of 1,600 1,600 points. And ayan, 8 weeks for 56 days. So, I believe dali lang na siya, no? Basta consistent lang. Okay, set up auto order. So don't miss, no, your next schedule. So work with your leader. When is your next auto order schedule? Also, 3BC upgrade. Make sure that you maximize the income potential of USANA by upgrading to 3 business center. So next is earn your first commission. So let me know, if you earn your first commission. That is really worth celebrating. Okay? Yeah, next is, this one is in the hub. Okay? You can check, no, this portion, Premier Platinum Pay Setter. May nakasulat po, Premier Platinum Pay Setter. Doon na number of enrollments, no? And the number of days na lang na kailangan mo siya ma-hit. So, meron po dyan, updated po tayo para we are always aware of our business, no, status of our business. So, yun lang po. Thank you. No, success again. Reminder, success is not a destination. It's a journey. So, ayun, do not be patient lang yun. Do not be impatient in doing this business, because it's a journey, not a destination as well. So kato, see you in our virtual meetings, no, and I would love to know more of your result, no, in the coming days. So update lang tayo, guys. So thank you very much.